Hi, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Mary Grace Crispin, 38 years old from Cotabato, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate and already married. I have 5 kids. All are boys. Their age was 19, 17, 14, 12, and 9 years old. I have my work experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper for almost 6 years and 9 months in one employer with a family member of 5, 2 adults, 3 kids, including the newborn baby. And my everyday chores was taking care of kids, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing dishes, washing clothes, and feeding the kids. I'm a hardworking, patient, and loving to the kids. If you allow me to work in your family, I promise to listen and follow your instruction and ready to learn more. Hope you allow me to work with you. God bless us all and thank you so much. Good have a good day.